So today I'm gonna film a really exciting video, but before I do that, I feel like why not get ready with you guys? I feel like I haven't done one of these in a while, and I feel like I have perfected my makeup routine. At least my everyday makeup routine, not that great at makeup if I'm gonna be quite honest, but my everyday makeup routine, I feel like is on point. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. And then I also want to show you guys some of my favorite products that I have been loving. Okay, today we're actually trying the Neutrogena Hydro Boost, but if it wasn't for that, I would have used this Dollar Tree one, which is the Be Pure Hydrating Moisturizer. I have been loving this to do my makeup, especially with like my foundations. It just leaves my skin feeling so good. But I wonder how it's gonna look with this one, with the hydration one, because my skin feels really hydrated and like plump. But anyways, today we're not gonna use these foundations, so I'll show you some of my favorites. So starting with this CC Nude Glow, love it, but it breaks me out. This Born This Way, it's so matte. So if you do not like matte, you will not like this one. But I feel like it's so nice. It's like a blurring foundation. I think I just got the wrong color. And then my Forever, this one is the Forever Dior. I love this one so much, but again, it's a matte one. The one that we're going to use today is the Luminous Silk Flawless Foundation. This one is like my favorite. Like, this is the one I wear all the time, even though it's so expensive. And there's two ways I apply it depending on like what I'm gonna do. You get the best application with a sponge, but you lose a lot of product with the sponge. So everyday application, I use the It Cosmetics or the It brushes for Ulta. This one is the Airbrush Blurring Foundation number 101. I actually got this one for this, but then I ended up using it for my Giorgio Armani, and it was a game changer. So we're gonna start with one pump, and we'll go from there. I feel like it just like blends into the skin so naturally. Okay, with this Hydro Boost that I have on my skin, I feel like I need two pumps, and normally I can do my whole face with one pump, so that's kind of weird. Okay, there we go. I feel like it still looks like my skin, just a little bit more blurred, a little bit more one tone. It's a pretty light foundation, and that's the reason why I like it. Now we're gonna go in with the Kosas Cloud Set, and we're just gonna set down the foundation. Another one of my favorite foundations is the Bare Minerals. The only thing is I got a shade a little bit too dark, so when I layer it on, my face literally looks different than my body. So I just ordered the new formula in a lighter shade. I actually ordered two, so I'm gonna definitely play around with those and show you guys. I wanna play with them on camera. Okay, that's setting in pretty nice. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of bronzer and just bronze up like the sides of my face. And I'm using this Laura Geller Baked Full Face Basics. I love this one. This is my favorite. The blush is my favorite. I use the highlighter. I've used the eyeshadows. I just love this palette so much. We're not gonna go too crazy because I don't know. I just don't feel like it today. So we're just gonna put a little bit of blush and just call it a day. Okay, now that we did that, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Slim Pencil. This one is in the color 257 Medium Brown. I'm probably gonna speed this up, but I basically just do a line. I line my eyebrow and then I fill in like this part right here and then like these empty spaces that I have right there. It still gives me a very natural brow because as you guys can tell, my brows are like literally non-existent. And when I make them too dark, I just don't feel like myself. Like, I do not feel like it's the same person. Unless it's like a professional doing my eyebrows, then I'm like, okay, it looks good. But when it's me, I don't know. I look and feel weird. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I did tattoo my eyebrows, and it's like a love-hate feeling because I used to have to go get my eyebrows waxed. If not, there was no shape to them. So I would have to go and get them waxed, and that was like such a waste of money. But I feel like now that my face has been like, so I've been like gaining weight, losing weight. I feel like since I've had one eyebrow, my face looks different all the time, and so do my eyebrows. Like at one point, I felt like my eyebrows started drooping down, and there was nothing I could do about it. But I guess you live and you learn. I don't regret getting my eyebrows done because, like I mentioned, I used to have to go get them waxed, and that was such a bother. I don't know why. I think it's because I had to drive far, because the lady that I used to go to, she was in, I think it was Garland, and I used to live in Grand Prairie, and it was like 40 minutes to go see her. But she was my favorite, and I don't know, I was like really particular with people doing my eyebrows, so I had to go to her. Okay, we're gonna do our eyeliner, but first let's set our eyes just so they don't so the foundation and stuff doesn't start creasing on me. So again, I think this is Laura Mercier. This is Laura Mercier Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder. And I feel like this powder does not matte you down. So if it's something that you want, definitely not the powder for you. This is more just like a glow, like a glowy powder. So I set it, and once it like sinks into my skin, it just leaves like this natural glow, and I just love this powder. Another one of my favorites before I started using that one was the Halo Glow. This one in the pink, oh my gosh, I don't know why I stopped using it. I've just been trying to use the Laura Mercier one too. They both work amazing. I don't know if I have a favorite one. Like, I don't know if I have a favorite one out of those two. But anyways, okay, let's do our eyeliner. This one is the Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. It's like $4. It does, at the end of the night, you will have to reapply it. That is one thing. So when I go out, I usually just do my one size. This one, amazing, but $25. This one, amazing, but $4. Doesn't last as long, but still, for everyday makeup, I'm like, you know what? It's fine. And I love the applicator because it's so easy to do your eyeliner. I am running low though, so I just ordered it. I ordered it with my Bare Minerals, like I was telling you guys earlier, but it's not here yet. It's just super, super easy to do your eyeliner with this. I love it. But I am running low, so the formula is getting a little bit clumpy, so I'm glad that I just ordered another one. And then let me do one of my eyes so you guys can see a before and after of this mascara. This is the One Size Fantasize mascara, and I wouldn't have tried this if I think Sephora was like doing it was giving you a bunch of mascaras with your purchase. So I got to try like a few different ones. So they gave me this one in a mini size, and I was just trying them. I was like, whatever, like I wasn't even gonna try them, but since I saw the one size, I was like, well, I have to try it. Like, I don't know, I've always loved his products, and I was like, okay, let me just try it. And I literally fell in love. I've already bought this mascara twice, and it's double of what my favorite mascara used to be. See, I don't even have it in here. It was the Maybelline Sky High. That was my favorite mascara before I started using this one. And that one's $13. This one is $25. Oh my gosh, I can't even see it on the viewfinder, but I hope that you guys can definitely see it on the bigger screen. How different this looks. And this mascara is already clumpy. I need to get a new one already. But whoa, I just love how natural and how beautiful it leaves my eyelashes. I feel like it does a really good job at separating them. There are some mascaras that like clump your eyelashes together. I don't know. I just really love this mascara. We're gonna move on to our lip liner. This one's actually from the dollar store. I don't know if I want to use this one. This is like a nude color. It kind of blends in with my lips. Let me just try it. It's like a pink coral nude. It's like a mixture of like all of those three together. Got it from the dollar store. I love it. And we're gonna use this Be Bella Angel Touch matte lipstick. I love this lipstick. And then on top of that, we're gonna use this e.l.f. stain. On the bottom, I have the stain. It's very similar color, but it will turn a little bit once it's just on my lips. Brush off the excess powder. And there you have it. This is my quick and easy everyday makeup routine. Sometimes I'll contour my nose. I'm like learning, but I did not want to do that on camera with you guys because I'm still learning. And then I'll put like some bronzer on my eyes just to give them a little bit more color to my face. But yeah, this is my just everyday makeup routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I cannot wait to record the video that I'm about to film. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I love you. I post new videos every Friday, so come back next week for another video.